Good morning and welcome to Tri-State Sewing and Quilting. I'm Paula and I'm going to show you all about the FA Passport 3.0. I need to sell this machine. Okay, so I'm going to put Swiss Metricine thread on here. This is Metler and this is what we recommend. It's the best thread on the market for all-purpose sewing. Alright, so I'm going to thread a bobbin first. There is a hard copy instruction book that comes with this machine, and there's also a hard copy, no, not a hard copy, a hard case that comes with it. This has got the built-in IDT, and that means it's like full drive in a vehicle. Okay, so ready? Here we go. I can either step on the foot controller here to do this, or I can run the speed here and touch start. And if I hold it long enough here, it'll tear it off. There's as fast as I can go. And I don't think I need a full bobbin. That's probably enough. Okay. If you wound it till it was full, it would stop. Now I'm going to push it to the left. And there's a cutter right over here. Okay. Now first I'm going to put the bobbin in. So with the bobbin, you want it coming off the left-hand side or like a P. Okay. Set it down. I hold my finger on the right side of it and I pull it up and then down. And then there's a cutter right here, but I don't want to cut it off yet. I'm going to slip this under here, cut it off, and then shut the door. All right, now let's start the top of the machine. With the foot up in the air, we're going to snap the thread in here. Okay, now we're going to come straight down, but you want to come on the right side of your tension disc here. And you floss it, so you hold both threads in your hands, pull it through, listen, it clicks, come down, slip it around, and then right up above the needle there's a thread guide, make sure you get that in there, and then floss it. Now set the foot down gently, and then there's a needle threader, and as long as this is all the way up, the needle threader will pop right into place. Make sure you use a 12 or larger to use a needle threader, or you'll damage it. Okay, so now I've done that. Now we're going to do needle down, needle up, and now it's pulled up about maybe a ½ inch of thread, and now I'm ready to sew. Test it. Okay, so here we go. So I like to hold on the top thread as I start. And this is slow. So this is variable speed, and this is great if you have beginners, or if you have children and you want to teach how to sew, this would be a great machine. I've sold it to 4-Hers. We've got reverse right here, and then we have the scissor to cut it off. Can you see that in the screen? Okay, and then there's the back, okay? All right, now I'm going to show you a little bit more here. So we have a panel that you pull out on the side, and this shows we have 99 built-in stitches on here. This is what I'm talking about. This is the built-in IDT or walking foot. It is synchronized with the machine. It's nothing you can unscrew. It's always with it. So like say if you're going to free motion sew, you would disconnect it. No, that's the wrong word. You would disengage it. But any of the feet that come with, that have the space in the top there, that opening, that means you use that black lever in the back, the built-in IDT, okay? All right, so now I'm going to sew on a piece of suiting fabric here. And I'm going to pick 01. This is a stretch stitch. I also use it for a top stitch. I've made a lot of doll clothes, 18-inch doll clothes, and this looks great on that. Now I'm going to go back to straight stitch because I want to show you something important. Okay, so when we're sewing along with straight stitch, we also have needle positions, and I'm going to bring up the needle here. So we got one, this is the middle, it's we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay, 15 different needle places to the right, and then another 15 to the left. So that's 30 needle positions. This is awesome. If you tailor, if you do any special garment construction where you do understitching, top stitching, it's wonderful. So now I'm going to do 03. And this is, actually, I need a different foot, just a minute. So this comes with, let me show you the feet. There is a one-step buttonhole, and I'll lay these out here so you can see them. There's a straight line quilt bar to a needle spool pin. Excuse me, I got a frog. Okay, this is to insert your needle right here. You go like that and take the needle out with that screw up there. Comes with a screwdriver. But right now I was looking for, if I touch I, that shows me the 2A. So that's the foot I need. It's like a built-in instruction book. So this is the 2A. Do you see that? Can you see? Okay. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and snap this one off and put this one on. And make sure that you disengage the IDT before you put that foot on because it doesn't work with it. So this is like satin stitching, okay? And now the other thing we can do, being on zigzag now, we can use that same button and now we can minimize my width by pushing the top button, okay? Which is really nice when you're doing different applicators. And this lower button, this would be our length. I invite you to stop in for demonstration on this machine, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'm Paula at Tri-State Sewing and Quilting. Bye.